Wow, I'm a fairy. I can't believe it. I'm flying. Huh? Where are my wings? Huh? I'm gonna make you some wings. Oh, there we go. This would make a great wing. First, I'll draw the outline of the wing. This one is my own design. Do you like that? Now I'll put glue in some parts of the wing. That should be enough. Time to sprinkle in some glitter. Dump it all until all the glue is covered.
Whoa, that's a lot.
You can never have enough glitter. This is for you.
Wow, can I fly with it?
You can do whatever you want, my sweetie. But first, your clothes. I don't like it. I'll make you a prettier outfit. This will be quick. All I need is ribbon and a pair of scissors. Now, go to town with it. And there we have it, a beautiful fairy dress.
Wow, it's so fluffy. Hang on. Hey, I don't have any shoes.
1 second. One gum is all it takes to make a pair.
What on earth?
One pair of boots coming right up.
Oh, that was fast!
Finally, your makeover is complete.
Who's ready for some magic? Hey, wanna come down here?
Ah, so bright! Wow! Hey, we're the same size. Hi, you're perfect.
All thanks to you.
Oh, I'm so proud. Can I try?
Wow! You're so pretty, Barbie. Huh? Help! Somebody help me! What's that? I'm on my way! A fairy! Look at it! I'm out of here!
Hilarious!
Laugh it up! I'm here to save the day! Fairy fabulousness, make me big! Hey, it's working! Bye now!
Wow, a fairy! Hey, over here! It's a big fairy! Look.
This is awkward. Did you drop your Barbie? Okay, come on, let's go.
And the leaves and the pretty flowers.
Just sit, okay?
But look at this fairy! She has wings! Hey, you listening?
Okay, yeah, wings, got it.
And they have fairy dust. And so much magic. They're basically the best thing ever. And I want to meet one so badly.
This is quite a collection. So what do you... Night-night. Now for some magic of my own. Starting with this dirty doll. You need some help! But I got you. A bath is just what the doctor ordered. You ready?
I don't know.
There's nothing to worry about. This bathroom is fit for a queen!
That feels nice. I want it. Hey, hey, hey!
Relax, more's coming. You ready for some bubbles? Here they come! See?
No way! More!
You want more? Okay, let's do this. Incoming! Look at them go! There are so many of them! Barbie? Gross! You okay down there?
Yeah!
What a trip! You should be clean enough now. Well, except for your face. Keep your mouth closed! And just like that, a pimple! Oh no, this is an emergency. Wait a sec, just keep sleeping. Can I borrow this?
What? Not cool. Nobody steals my fairy's face. There.
Look what I got for you. Enjoy. There, all better. Or not. We have to fix this.
This thing's huge.
It's okay. I got you. I just need this. This, and some good luck. Oh yeah, here's where the magic happens. Let's kill that pimple. I need it good and powerful. Now we're talking. That's some powerful medicine. If this doesn't work, I don't know what will. Okay. Are you ready?
Oh no, I'm scared! Easy with that thing, alright? Can't move!
It has to sit for a bit. Okay, let's see.
Yes, it's gone!
Yeah, it came out perfect. But wait, what's that? Now me?
I'm the most powerful fairy in the land. Wow, it feels good up here. I'm just glowing, aren't I?
Ah.
Hey, I get it. I still have work to do. Check out this makeup trick. Oh no, please don't wake up. Actually, that's better. Much better. Let's put this thing to work. Look, it's really happening. Cool. Let's add some more stuff.
What's going on?
Loves it!
Don't you look beautiful? One more thing.
What? Phew!
Ow! What just happened? I like it. I'm so glamorous.
What do we do about my hair?
Huh? My candy? Color me inspired. I saw this trick online. You say you want some color? Then I'll give you some color. Just add water. Watch it happen before your eyes. Let the color bleed. So mesmerizing. Almost hypnotizing. I'm just gonna rest my eyes.
What do we have here? I must investigate. Think this will color my hair? Only time will tell.
How long was I asleep for?
Morning, brother. Check out my new hair.
What? How'd you get that? It's a new day. Just look at her go.
Everyone say hello to my new fairy hair.
This is so nice. Huh? How's it hanging, dude? Very funny, Spider. I could really use this string, though. Catch my drift? Beautiful. Bunch them together and you get this. Cute, right? It sure looks good on you. You're like a walking fairy cupcake queen. So fluffy and fantastic, right?
I couldn't dream of a more perfect skirt. Give me that. Nice. That lens. Thanks. I'm gonna give it an upgrade. I need what all fairies need. Some beautiful wings.
No way!
Glue time.
Wow.
I've never used it like this before. I need lots of little gloves. Nice. All done.
Was that necessary?
Sorry.
Time for the fairy dust.
I'm making it rain. So pretty. Okay, now make a wish. Wow! These wings are truly spectacular.
Wow, all mine. Come here, Barbie.
We have wings. One of us anyway. What are you doing?
I wish these things could fly.
No fair. I hate it here.
Now hold on. You want these? Okay. Hey! Don't be sour, come on. Take them!
Okay, fine. Tradsies? See ya.
Okay, have fun.
I have wings. I have wings.
And I have gum. And you need shoes. There you go. A little bulky, don't you think?
Hey, why do I feel stuck? What's going on? I'm back. What did you do to my feet? Is that gum?
My bad. I'm sorry. Ice cream? I have an idea. This will only take a few minutes.
So cold.
All done. Boots. Wow. Look at these.
Yep. Trade?
Okay. Giddy up, horsey.
Fairy dance.
Haircut time. What? Oh no. Oh yes. That hair has got to go. Starting with this tail. Looking better already. See? A brush? Well, okay. Soon you'll be white as snow. Almost done.
Use this?
Really? Okay. Like this?
No, I hate that. Let me take care of this. Now that's an improvement. Wow, I have magic!
What happened to me?
Hold on, let me fix this. Come on, magic! Hey, it's working! I'm a tiny fairy now. Sorry, gotta fly. The weather's so nice up here. Fairy-tastic, I'd say.
Another fairy?
I'm like you now.
Hi there. Welcome to my world. Awesome.
Hello? They don't care about me. Anyone have hay I can chew on? Barbie, you need a brush.
Ah, that feels good.
There! Beautiful! But it's missing something. Maybe I'll borrow some of Mom's makeup.
Big mistake.
Who's there?
Why, hello there, Barbie. He shouldn't have left you alone.
I don't like the shade.
Let's put some color here and here.
No!
What are you doing?
Uh-oh.
Oh no! What have you done? I'm gonna fix you. Don't worry, Barbie.
Okay, how are we gonna fix this?
Lucky you, I'm prepared. Check it out. Ta-da!
Wow, what is it?
It's the Fairy Makeover checklist. You better write this down.
Crown? Makeup?
And all that magic. It's the secret sauce, huh? How did I... Never mind. We better clean you up first. Alright, let's start with a bath. Now sit back and relax. You're in for a spa day.
Wow, I've never had a bath before. This is so relaxing.
Hold on. Where's my brush?
He never learns. Looks like you need more soap.
What in the world?
More.
Hey, stop it!
Here he comes.
Help me! I'm drowning!
Alright, I got you. Oh, you're all clean. Doesn't that feel good? Wait a minute.
All that soap got me dizzy.
You have a pimple.
No!
It's the size of a plate. Ew. We have to remove it. I've got just the thing. I know it looks like any old boring toothpaste, but I'm adding glitter to it. And we all know glitter is magic. Now let's mix it with this brush.
Are you sure about this?
Well, no, but we'll never know if we don't try.
Are you serious?
All done. And now we wait. Huh? Oh, I almost forgot. Wow, it worked.
Wow. Let me see. Ouch!
Are you okay? Oh no, I have a pimple too. I can't go out like this. It needs to go. Come on.
Whew. Oh. Oh, I didn't finish my cereal.
Are we done yet? Hey! It's been a whole day.
Oh, I can't wait either. My dream girl.
Have some magic bubbles.
Ah! Anyway, back to work. I don't know where to start though. I'm open to any suggestions.
Please, do my makeup.
Alright, I know exactly what to do. I'm gonna call this look Sparkly Fairy Princess. Starting off with the blue eyeliner. Then, I'm gonna add some shadow all around the eyelid.
Wow!
And now blush for some pop of color.
Achoo!
Next, I'm gonna add little hearts on the cheeks.
Wow!
Last step, lip gloss. And more sparkle, of course. Hold on to your seat.
Oh no! The salon!
It's all part of the makeover.
Whoa, I love it. Ugh, my hair. Hey, fix it.
Huh?
Whoa!
Oh, don't be so dramatic. Hold on, just give me a sec.
Hey, watch it.
What, afraid of a little water? This is going on your hair, silly. Now watch.
What is happening?
Look at those colors being extracted from the candy. We're using it to dye your hair. All you have to do is soak in it. And now you're done. Instant fairy hair.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Let's take a selfie. Check out my Barbie.
Oh wow, cute photo.
Huh? No way!